Guys, so first and foremost, obviously what we're going to do is we're going to go to the eBay app. And after we go to the eBay app, right, you're going to go ahead and click on to selling. And once you click on to selling, you're going to scroll down, right, to products research new. So it says here, research items sold on eBay over the past 3 years, compare pricing and view trends and what competitors are doing. So boom, I'm going to click on that, go up here into the research products. One of the big players that I'm actually buying up a lot of and flipping his cards are Victor Wembanyama. So I click on Victor Wembanyama, and this is just the overall average sold price. It says here over the last 90 days, Victor Wembanyama's card's value has gone up $19.07. So that's a 24% increase. And this is a very general search. I did this search, this basically is just going off of probably every listing within the last 90 days that has Victor Wembanyama in the title. So as you can see, right, overall, it'll show you all the sold listings. So you got $13.20, $12.40, $15.61. If you want to fine tune it, we can even get into a little bit more fine tuning, but you can look through auctions, cards or items that sold at a best offer that was accepted, and then also what sold at fixed prices. You can even specify the categories. So for instance, for me, I'm looking in specifically for sports memorabilia and trading card singles. You can even really fine tune it here through condition. Was it a graded card or was it an ungraded card? For me, I need to see if there's value in graded cards right now. So I can click on graded cards, and then boom, here we go. So as you can see, the average sold price has changed, right? The demographic has changed from, okay, it's not a raw card any longer. This is a graded card. Obviously, I've sent this off. It's been graded. Depending upon what the grade I got on it can depend on the value I will get in return. So as you can see, right, Victor Wembanyama PSA 10 rookie card here. This is base NBA hoops. This is your very basic standard rookie card that of Victor Wembanyama. NBA hoops is, I think, the first product that they push out with him actually in his San Antonio Spurs jersey. So as you can see here, this sold or is selling for 54 bucks right now, right? And he's already sold one, so he's got a couple of them up for sale. Also, you could just keep scrolling down, right? So Topps made a Topps Now card of him actually throwing the first pitch at a baseball game, right? Victor Wembanyama threw that at a baseball game. 4 Sharp Corners, on top of their game, went out and bought a whole bunch of these raw and are flipping them for $37.32 with free shipping, So it's big business. I mean, it's first to market with everything. Victor Wembanyama came out this year. So, obviously he's already played a full season and his cards have been sitting on the market for quite some time. But, at the same time, there's still juice to be squeezed out of that orange. You know what I mean? Like, you can still make some money. I mean, over the last over the last 90 days, your average sold price is $188.88. It's up $31.37. Now, you can even go into more depth, right? So if you go Victor Wembanyama Panini, so the cards I'm chasing right now are Panini Select. All right, so I'm going to type Victor Wembanyama Panini Select, and as you can see, $72.48 is the average sold price. All right, and then we can continue to go into a little bit more of a fine tune, and let's check out the graded cards. So Boom. So look at how much this is. This is just a blue base select. Okay, this is pop number 3. Okay, so he was obviously first to market, and he was able to sell this card for a good price. So $183.32, and it seems that he's got one more, right? So he's already sold 3 of them, or he's got 3 left. I'm sorry, but you know, this card right here, I bought tons. I've sent it to PSA, and I'm just waiting for them to send that back to me. So this guy, kudos to him. You know, he might have paid a little bit markup just to get the card back faster, but look, hey, it pays to be first to market. You know, keep going down here. So this is I bought a lot of these. These are the blue prisms. Okay, these have a little bit of a rainbow shimmer to it. And then down at the bottom here at the back, if you look right above or right under the Spurs logo down at the very bottom down here, you can see that prism right there. That means that it is a special card. And right there, right, blue prism kind of specifies that this card looks, as you could tell, a lot different from this card up here. This one doesn't really shine the way that that card does, right? And this is just the blue. So the prism adds like this special fan, like flare design to it, and people love that. They chase it because it's extra color on the card. But yeah, what a great app. I mean, eBay's apps have really come a long way. Back in the day, you used to have to like click on sold items just to figure out what the price, basically, you know, you kind of just take the top 5 last sold of a particular item, and then you would just crunch a number into an average. Well, now they've got an algorithm that's doing all the averages for you. So as long as that number right here, right, this 100, you know, it's up $121. Obviously, this average sold price is going to come down because once you flood the market, obviously people pay less for things because people are willing to move off from it because they know they don't want to get stuck with it. And so, you know, first to market is always good. So that's essentially what I've been trying to do, is build out this Panini Select market, because a lot of this stuff is all brand new. These cards haven't really been passed around and touched by numerous people. So the key is always to be first to market, get the new product, grade it, ship it out. You know what I mean? When you get it back, list it and send it off, send it away. But yeah, I don't know. Pretty cool app. Y'all let me know what you think about the eBay, the new eBay app, right? Remember, go into selling and then go down to product research and just click on get started. And you can type in whatever you want here. Look, I'll type in clothes just to show you. You could literally find whatever you want here. Baseball glove sold for $20. What is this? 12 by 15 frosted zipper clothing bags. Puma sweats sold for $18. You could buy a U.S. American flag for $12.37, $5 of shipping. So yeah, man. Shout out to you guys, man. Thanks for always kicking it with your boy. But we will talk to you in the next one. Peace.